manual approach. Yeah, give the name as a manual because we're doing all this manual, correct? Then we'll actually converting to the through the variable. We're going to store everything on the environment table, and we'll be just calling the variable. That's it.
Why
Still
it's
deny?
yeah, but it worked.
Can you send again?
Yeah, let me send it again. Then copy this.
Pratik, just write this. How about, is it working from the Swagger?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me see.
Can you save it, everything? Okay, save is important. Okay, save it. Send it. No? So go back to the header. Let me see application.json, content type application.json. So that looks good here. Here should be the bearer. Okay. Save it.
Okay, let me check from the Swagger.
Let's see.
Okay, if I,
Okay, so we're adding the seller. Okay. What did he?
then
Oh, here is also issues.
is it change the super admin information because it was the super admin? Oh, okay. Okay, okay. Yeah, I got the issue. Sorry for this. Okay. So basically the super admin, we have the super admin credential.
Okay.
So okay, let me get that information right.
What is the total story here? What are the issues?
Okay, the thing is basically we have the super admin credential. Okay, the information I sent, that one is basically the seller account. And as I said, this has the issue that it will only work with the super admin. And super admin, we have only one account with the super admin. So let me get that one.
Okay, so the every application start with the one of the primary ID. Every application in the TS for you, my ID is the primary supreme ID. That's the what it's saying. Yes. So every application start with one ID. So the anything on the seller portal has to work with that main ID, not the seller ID. Then maybe the seller the seller inventory analyst, seller purchase analyst, seller this and that, but not will work. It will be working only the main, the seller admin account, the super account, the main ID. That's the reason it was not working. So now we are passing the actual, the super admin ID, then it will work.
Okay, so now let me copy this token. Now it should work. Copy this, go here, authorization.
So if you guys remember the role base, I think the product owner knows the role base. In the project management, you guys see not everybody can do everything, right? It's called the role base. Means based on your permission you can do. So here is the same. Every application has the role base. Based on your access permission, you can do certain things. Did it work?
Yes.
So the what is the outcome then? So there is. So what we are going to do then? How we are going to fix it? We're going to create the more admin account, or how to do this?
No, we have to basically fix it with the seller account. Like it should create with the seller account. So we have to create from there.
Pratik, did you take note for this? I hope Pratik is there.
Yes, sir.
Pratik, did you take note?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Thank you. Yep. So he's take over the whole code base. So he's learning at the same time. Because we ask you guys, create the bug, nothing. There's not enough bug. So we have to find the bug. Okay, good. So it has to be super admin, not the seller account. You guys have the coffee. You guys want to make coffee? Make coffee as well. Okay, go ahead. Continue.
Okay, so then let's go for the next one.
Instead of pass this, so create a So quickly create a variable, so that part will be done. So you don't need to do manually over and over. So let's do that.
Okay.
We'll create an environment.
Okay, so do this. We have to create an environment. So to create an environment, select this, then create environment, then give the environment name. So let me give the
Staging,
name staging and
seller. Yeah, and then you can identify either the seller or buyer, and you can identify with the special features, everything all you. Yeah. So you can call the super admin. Yeah. Okay. Good.
so
That's
now what you can do simply we can do the automation here, or also we can first now we can paste the token here. Okay. So after this, save it, then go here, not here, here, then click on the select the environment,
Yeah.
then we can simply remove here,
Just
then
call the name.
yeah, then here we can
Double curly
simply call
braces, variable
super
name. It is orange color.
admin
It is done properly.
token. Okay, now if I send it,
Shit,
super
right?
admin,
It will not work.
super admin access denied. So I think I got the wrong token, then I have to take this one, copy this, click here, edit.
Change it.
Let me give the also current value, then it will work. Go here, now send it. Yeah, it's working. Okay, so simply I don't need to copy the token anymore. I just simply copy this, I mean I pass this variable and it will
Pass the
work.
variable. Yes. Whatever you
Okay.
need to use, just simply pass the variables. How many steps? Create an environment, and give the variable name, and store the variable like the value in the table, in the environment table. That's it. And now you call this. You call the variable wherever you need. Simple. To call a variable, double curly braces, variable name will be popping up itself, and the close with the double curly braces. Done. It should be that
Okay.
simple.
Yeah.
It's all about the variable. So you guys, hopefully you guys know what the variable is. Correct. Yep. That is true. He knows. He's a big talker. I didn't see any show and tell you. I'm just dying. I'm just dying. He knows his concept is clear. That's good. That's smart. And that's well, business people know a lot of things. That you have to give the. Okay, continue, please. Go ahead.
Okay.
The concept is fully clear that once you do over and over, you need to store in the variable. That's the in a word you should say. Okay, so go ahead, bring the more.
Okay, so this one is for the get categories and this one is the get API. So let me simply copy this curl also, then import raw text and paste it and continue. Then import, then save.
Give the name.
So seller should be able to get all the
We'll give
categories.
you guys this the collection. You guys fix all the user story. Bring the user story in the beginning. Okay. So all based on the collection, then you type the user story in the beginning. Rename each of the collection. Okay. So
Okay,
guys,
so now here as it is the gate I mean gate HTTP method, so it will not have any payload, so simply we have to pass the token. So simply click the BR token and this is the variable we are looking for. Now click on the send and here it is, all the categories
got it.
is
So
created.
power of the
Simply
variable, huh?
download.
So you don't need to pass over and over.
One thing, this there token like does not change.
No, if you change on the seller admin, then it will change itself. You don't need to do anything. It will be changing itself. So that's the reason when you run this collection, it will be running from the seller admin. So it will be updating the token. Then that token will be passed everywhere. You don't need to do anything. That's the power of the automation. Click here and there over and over. You don't need to do anything. Okay, go ahead.
No, basically, we didn't do that part yet.
Yes,
We are
yes.
right now, like, if we just change it, let's say if we send it
Bring the
and the
automation
token
first.
is changed. Now
Go
if
ahead.
I run it, okay, it's working
No,
with the
get
previous
doesn't
token.
have a body, remember?
Yeah.
Yes, get means reading.
Get
Get.
the token update now because you did the sign in again.
No, we did not do the signing again.
He did.
He did it?
Yeah.
Okay. That's fine.
No, I just wanted to show you that if I sign in,
He
okay,
did not sign in. He did not click the button here. Sign in means you have to click the send. Okay.
like every time you sign in, the token will be updated. So, oh yes, the thing is like it should, like, if the token is expired or if the token is blacklisted, so what you have to do, like here you can see, okay, let me show you that, like, the new one is the G1FQ, right? But if I go to my environment, if I edit this, see, it's not the same one. That means this token is not updated. It's working with the previous token. So for that we have to write some code. By writing those code, we can fix this.
Yeah, we did it. Do again. Yeah, it's not like a
Yeah.
wrong.
Okay. So what you can do,
We'll be storing. We'll be storing this token and it will be stored on the environment variable. Okay,
okay.
go ahead.
So this thing we did I mean we did something automation, but we couldn't complete the full automation. So for that, what you can do, go to the test section. So here we will just write some code that we will get the token, this token from the response body, whatever we will get. I mean, whenever we'll send, it will update the token, it will get new token, and we'll just store that token. We'll get that token and it will store that token into the environment variable. Okay. So to do that, okay, let me write down a comment here. So the comment is
Store
get
the, okay, create a variable and I store the patch, the what is called the bearer token and store in the environment variable. I think that's what we are doing. Create a variable.
variable to store the response body in parts, then create an environment variable and assign the value of this variable will be the token from the response body.
Okay? Because the response body is from the server. It's not like we are giving. It will be dynamic each time. This part is important.
Okay. So now what I can do is simply create to declare a variable here, var JSON data equal to. So this is just I am giving a variable name, and it's a JavaScript. So this is how it declare a variable. So JSON data. Then I can just simply assign the values of the JSON data here. That JSON dot parse. Okay, this is a method basically parse. Then here I can simply give the parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis, what I want to parse, I want to parse the whole response
So
body.
it's the parameter we are passing there. Now it's not like a foreign language anymore, right? Because of the Java. Because of the programming language, nothing is foreign language. See, that's the, now it should make like a 99 point make sense what you're doing. Good.
Okay.
So we created a variable
Then
and then we are using that there. So JSON is the class, right? I'm just thinking.
So data type.
No, I know. I'm just saying that it's like the what is this object, right?
it's an object, yeah.
So of course, means the class become an object when you okay, got it. So
Okay.
then the method and method has the parameter response body. Okay.
Then we have to just call the pm dot environment dot set dot variable. Set what is the variable? Okay, we can also simply call from here set an environment variable. This one, okay, you can just simply set, then it's not variable. Okay, pm.environment.set, and here we have to pass two parameters, I mean two arguments. One is the variable key, I mean what will be the variable name inside this environment. Okay, inside this environment, what will be the variable name and what will be the value. Okay, so the variable name, let me give the variable name here, super admin token.
The same one
mm,
is like the is showing is that
okay, let me give another name so that it will be more understandable. So super,
super admin.
yeah, let me write this together, super admin underscore token. Okay,
Okay.
then variable value, this value if I give into the string, I mean the double quotation, it will be stored like the string format. Okay, like here, let me show you. uh um String format value, like whatever I will write here, if I send it, let me show you. See, it's created a variable super admin token with the name, this name, and then it initializes the value with the current format value, sorry, string format value, whatever I give here. Okay, but I don't want to store some hard coded value, right? What I want to do, I want to get this value from the response body. So let me just after removing this, call the response body. So this response body is stored where? Is stored into this variable. So what I can do, I can simply call this variable, right? JSON data. Okay. Then I want to enter. I want to go enter this object. This is an object. You can say this whole body is inside an object. So I want to go to inside the object or inside this response body. So I have to put the dot. Okay. Then I have to just simply call the token. Okay.
Because that's the name.
This is the
Whatever
exactly.
it has to be the matching, otherwise it will not work. Okay. If you
So now if I send it,
say the user, then it will be storing the user data. If you say the role, then it will be the super admin. Whatever you say, that's it has to be the match. That cannot be anything else, right?
yeah.
Okay.
So now if I send it, so here you can see that this token is now updated DST10 something like this. If I click here, here I can see the same one.
That's it. Done. So now you just call this token, this variable everywhere, super admin
Yeah.
underscore token. That's pretty much it. Double curly braces and give the name. Remove it and double curly braces. Eh? Why is not coming? Maybe you, okay.
Okay, I have to send it again. Then I have to send here invalid token. Oh, okay. So it's showing me the invalid token. Why? Okay, let me show you another thing. So if I show you
You need
here
to have
that
the initial
one,
value.
yeah, no, when I'm basically when it's bringing the token value, it's also getting the keyword BRR.
BRR. Oh, this has to be. We have to delete the BRR.
See, BRR.
Understood. Okay.
So what I can do, I can simply pass this. I cannot pass this here because it's already typed the BRR. So that's why we don't need to write there here BRR. We can simply pass the token. So what I can simply do, I can simply here go to the body, go to the body. Sorry, the headers. In the headers in the authorization, I can simply remove all of this
Yeah.
and pass the token here.
Variable again.
Yeah, I mean the variable.
Yeah.
Okay. So now if I send it, see, it's working.
So wherever that we need to be called, you just simply pass the variable, not the value. Value is coming from the main seller admin. So understand the flow. Seller admin, go back to the seller admin again. Seller admin, that's the where we are actually writing the code. So that's the one did. Then we created the environment, give the environment name, gave the